fertilizes it. So at the end, the fertilization is done. The egg now divides into 2 equal parts. So we have 2 different eggs, 2 different zygotes coming from this. Then these are the identical twins. But this one that is 2 different eggs, they are called fractional twins. So our answer: identical twins inherit their genes from what? The same egg and sperm. That is the answer, option B. Then the next question: sex-linked genes are located on Y chromosome, X and Y chromosome, homologous chromosome, X chromosome. I said earlier that sex-linked genes are found with the woman, with the mother, and that is the X chromosome. Our answer is option D, X chromosome. The next question: which of the following is the best explanation for a child who is phenotypically short and born of 2 tall parents? You know, the parents are tall, but they have a child that is very short. So what can you explain as somebody that has done genetics? What is the explanation for that? A, the father possesses a gene for shortness. B, the mother possesses a gene for shortness. C, the nature makes the child short. D, both parents possesses gene for shortness. Just like they said, the 2 parents are tall, but they have a short child. That should tell you that the 2 parents have done this before, have gene for shortness. So they will have some children that are tall, while some will be short. Can you see? These 2 are very tall, while these 2 are very short. So it's the both parents that have genes for shortness. That is option D. The next question: a yellow maize is crossed with a white maize, and the first filial generation produces yellow maize only. The white trait is said to exhibit what? A, dominance, B, recessiveness, C, codominance, D, incomplete dominance. The answer is recessiveness, because the dominant trait is the one that you will see, that will show first, while the recessive one, maybe over time, you will now know that it's even there. So the answer is recessiveness. The white trait is recessive, while the yellow trait is dominant. The next question: a pair of genes that control a trait is referred to as, just like the other question, an allele, recessive, dominant, a hybrid. A pair of genes that controls a trait, that is the one that you see. The answer is C, dominant. The next question: if both parents are heterozygotes for a trait, the probability that an offspring will be recessive for that trait is what? 2 parents, they are heterozygotes for a trait. This is heterozygotes. Different trait, dominant and recessive for a trait. Now, the probability that they will have a child that will be recessive for the trait will be what? So let's see this. Trying to cross these 2, R and R. Then we have this is dominant, this is recessive, this is homozygote. Okay, this is the heterozygous dominant. So they say, the question says, the probability that they will have a child that is recessive for the trait. Look at this. This is 1, this one is 2 to 1. So this is what we are looking for. This is 1/4. So the probability that they will have an offspring that is recessive for the trait is 1/4. This one out of the 4. Our answer is option C, 1/4. The next question: At what stage in the life history of a mama is the sex of an individual sex, that is the sex, whether the child will be a boy or a girl, determined? A. At adolescence, B. At puberty, C. At birth, D. At conception. When do you know, or when is the sex of a child determined? The answer is D. At conception. When a child is still in the womb, that is when the sex is determined, even though you don't know it, but that's when it has been determined that this child will be a boy or a girl, not at adolescence. It's not when you go like, I'm a boy, I'm not turning out to be a girl. No, it's at conception. The next question: the inheritable characters that are determined by a gene located only on the X chromosome is what? I said that earlier. Talk about the genes that you find only on the X chromosome. A. Recessive, B. Sex-linked, C. Homozygous, D. Dominant. The answer is B. They are called sex-linked characters. The next question: if the cross of a red flowered plant with a white flowered plant produces a pink flowered plant, still on the board, it is an example of what? A. Codominant, B. Incomplete dominant, C. Mutation, D. Linkage. The answer to that question is B. Incomplete dominant. It's the law of incomplete dominance that tells us that when you cross a red flower plant and red, so there is an incomplete dominant. This one is not dominant, this one is not. So the both of them is an incomplete dominant. The next question: the crossing of individuals of the same species with different genetic character is called what? A. Crossbreeding, B. Polygenic inheritance, C. Non-disjunction, D. Inbreeding. Our answer is A. Crossbreeding. The next question says the number of alleles controlling blood groups in women is A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 2. Alleles controlling blood groups. We have this blood group A, B, A, B. So this is 1, this is 1. That's 3. Option A. Our answer is 3. During blood transfusion, agglutination may occur as a result of the reaction between A. Contrasting antigens and antibodies, B. 2 different antigens, C. 2 different antibodies, D. Similar antigens and antibodies. When you have similar antigens and antibodies, then there will be agglutination. The answer is option D. Similar antigens and antibodies. The next question: which of the following is true in blood transfusion? A person of blood group AB can donate blood only to another person of blood group AB. B. Person of blood groups A and B can donate or receive blood from each other. C. A person of blood group AB can receive blood only person of blood group A or B. Then D. A person of blood group O can donate only to a person of blood group O. I have illustrated that earlier in this class. I said blood group A, we donate to A, donate to B, here we donate to A, this one we donate to A, we donate to B, we donate to A, we donate to O. I said these ones are universal donor. A, B, universal recipients. They will be received from every other person. Then they will donate to A, B. A will donate to A and itself, B to A, B and itself, O to everybody. B will receive from A, B will receive from everybody. But we donate only to A, B. Now, the answer to that question is that a person of blood group AB can donate blood only to another of AB. So they donate. Okay, this is receiving now. Donation. A we donate to A and AB. B we donate to B and AB. AB we donate only to AB. Then O we donate to B. So our answer is A. A person of blood with AB. We donate blood only to another person of blood with AB. The next question. A yellow maize is planted and all the fruits obtained are of yellow seeds. When they are crossbred, yellow seeds and white seeds are obtained in a ratio of 3 to 1. The yellow seed is said to be what? A. Non-heritable, B. Sessile, C. A recessive trait, D. A dominant trait. Can you something similar? The answer is A. Dominant trait. When you have a character outshining the other, you say that character is dominant, while the other one that is under is recessive.